Hi all. So hope everyone are doing well. So it's almost evening time. So I'm thinking to do some snacks. So the thing is, last time when I went for the shopping, so there was some issues with the billing. So at that time, I have bought this French fries. So the issue was so this was a buy one get one free offer, which was given by the shopping mall person. So it is a discount. So when you buy one product, the other product you will get for free. So that was the thing, and the thing is like you need to pay the entire MRP amount to get the other packet free. So this was the thing which because I don't know about that, and the MRP price tag is not mentioned so perfectly in the price tag in the rack. So what happened was, so there it was mentioned as 160 rupees for one packet. Means the so I was buying some household things like rava and dals. So at that time I could not able to think of it. So it was mentioned in the rack. It was mentioned as 160 rupees, and they have charged 300 rupees for one packet. So entire MRP was charged for me. So for that I have uh, gone to check to what was the main issue of that. So if you want to buy one packet, so what the explanation was given from the shopping mall person is, the billing person is, so if you're taking one packet, so the cost will be around 160 rupees. So here the what thing you need to understand is, so if you want to get the offer of this buy one get one, you need to pay the entire MRP amount. Means the MRP amount will be 300 rupees in the packet. So if you want to buy only one packet, the price will be 160 rupees. This was the clarification given from the MRP, this one, the billing person, the mall person. So okay, so why did I tell this is, so this was the issue, and I took this product from there. So I have returned the product, and I have taken for the pending amount. So I said him to give the cash back, but the thing is, they said, so we can't return the amount from our side, so it can be added into your mobile number. So personal mobile number account will be generated while you are providing the mobile number to the billing person. So it will, the amount is added into the cart. So at that time what I did was, I guess I'm dragging the video vlog little bit more. So the MRP guy said it will be added to your account, so you can use whenever you come to the shop. Means when you come next time you are coming for the shopping. So I said I don't require those things. So let me take some other product. So at that time I have taken a product. So it was almost it's almost 3 to 4 months. So I have taken French fries. So let me do a video on it. So it is almost evening, so I thought to cook it. So today my parents are also not there, so they have went out for something. So the house is also not so crowded, and so I can prepare it. Let me show you. So this is good. So this is masala fries. So when I checked there, so almost I have taken all the items from the shopping mall, and the thing is, like I can buy any one of the snacks. So at that time the price is, I said around 175 rupees. So they have given the 200 rupees. For the 200 rupees I can't take, apart from I would have taken the dal, but there is a excess, so I've almost taken it. So I thought to take a snacks for that. So I have taken this McCain Masala fries, and by looking at the photo itself you can see like chili flakes on it, mm, like something, I thought it will be good. And okay, so today I'm thinking to do a vlog on this. So hope you guys like this video, and let's start. So the first thing what we are doing is we are removing the packet, and we are boiling it in the oil. So let me pour oil, and let me cook it. Pan. So the thing what I read, so in the description of this packet, that so we need to just add the oil and cook in the hot oil. So that was the thing I studied in the description. So cooking, so preparation method. So that was the thing they have mentioned. So heat the oil and take the product from the freezer. Fry directly. Do not top. So that was the thing they have mentioned. So let me follow the same. So I have put the oil, sorry, pan, and now like I'm pouring the oil. So I want this. So this is already cooked oil. So I have almost pouring oil. So let it heat it for some time. By then what I'll do is I'll just open the packet. So this yeah, I have cut down the packet. So it is I don't know. So but the so previously also I was getting this French fries, but I was taking the plain French fries. The thing is that what I'll do is I'll take French fries, open the packet, and it will be the same like freezing like this. So I'll add it in the cold water. So I'll take in a bowl of cold water. So means a bowl of cold water, and I add the French fries into it until this ice will get rid of this French fries, and after that I'll fry it. So that was the thing I was doing, but for this there is a masala thing, so I could not able to do it. So I'll just follow the preparation method which given in this packet. So what they have said is just add these things, these French fries into the oil. So let it eat it for some time. So I'll add directly, and the thing is so let me take this. So it's almost 4 months. This story was 4 months story. So I thought to make a video of it, but so making it video and YouTube video, we need to spend some time for it, and I guess I am completely fixed with my job and returning back home, and I need to. So I am fixed with my own work, so I could not able to spend some time for creating YouTube videos. But I'm just doing this daily. I'm spending some half an hour, 1 hour to complete my skipping jump rope challenge. So it almost 3 to 4, not 3 to 4 months, so like around 2 to 3 months. So, but this expiry date is very high. The expiry date for this is 26. Manufacturer is 24, and the expiry date is 26. So let me add this into this hot oil. So I guess it will jump. The oil will jump because it has some ice particles or water content in. So So the thing is, we should not. The thing is, the thing is we should not overheat the oil, and we should not be in a less flame also. I guess the oil is high heated. This French fries are turning in black color. So what we'll do is we'll reduce some flame. So what I'll do is so it's almost heated up. So so it's almost heated up. Yes, I can add it. So I'll take this one. The method is, I guess the method is not so good because this ice water vapors will just act like means, when we are adding the sensor into the oil, it slightly jump. So we need to be careful. Keep some distance from the oil and add it. After some time also it will jump in. The oil will jump in. This is very good. But I have seen peri fries in. So first thing we'll mix. We'll fry the peri fries, and after that we will add the masala to it. But I don't know. This is little bit different. I kept in low flame. So using low flame will not burn this french fries black. So or else as soon as we add the french fries, means whatever things we add in the oil, it will turn completely. So we need to keep the flame minimum medium. This flame is a little bit less. Product name is masala fries. McCain Masala fries. You can also try it. But thing is, it's just like a peri fries. So which you get in McDonald's. You will get peri fries. It will be the same thing. But here in the packet itself, they are mixed with the French fries. So it is. So you can see the French fries covered with some masala, some small chili flakes. This is almost done. So at least we need to spend at least 1 hour to create a video. But we need to add some comments. So for my work schedule and things is completely formatted. So this is how it looks. Hope you guys like this video, and hope you guys feel this video is interesting. So this is how it looks. Let me taste, and let you know how does this look. Yeah. Yeah, it's good, but it somewhat look like a potato. The potato flavor is more when compared to chili flakes, but it's good. But the thing is, you won't get the complete means you won't get only the potato flavor in it. So to avoid that, so I guess they have added this chili flakes. So adding this chili flakes will reduce this potato flavor in the French fries. That's uh, what I think. But it's good. You can also try it. Hope you guys felt this video interesting, and thanks for watching. బాగుందమ్మా.
బిడ్డలు కూడా పప్పు కదా సాకింది.
ఇట్లా ఉన్నాయి.
ఆ యొక్క మనం తినేది వీడియో తీస్తాను. మామిడికాయలు వస్తుంది కదా, ఆవిడైతే మనకి సూపర్గా సెట్ అయింది. ఇట్లా ఉంది.
చాలా కష్టం కదా మా అరేంజ్ మ్యారేజ్.
అన్నం వేసుకొని ఉంటాయి కదా.